CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.
In Crypto Corner today, we are talking about Bitcoin halving. I mean, this is a thing that has been buzzing every year. Every 4 years when Bitcoin halving happens, we do see a price impact as well. And we do see, pardon me, an investment and participation as increase as well. As you all know, Bitcoin, the supply is limited to 21 million Bitcoins here. And that clearly has been the major backbone of the kind of price run that we have seen come in for Bitcoins there. The underlying code ensures that there can be no more than 21 million Bitcoins that will ever exist. And in that sense as well, Bitcoin halving comes in as very, very important there. So the finite supply that you have of Bitcoins does ensure that you see prices on the higher side there. The economic statement and the support that its value system gets because of that is also one of the main reasons. From here, the 21 million Bitcoins, the way you see it, it's distributed through mining. There are miners in various countries doing that. The 21 million Bitcoins in existence are scheduled to be mined through and finished by 2140 there. At this point in time, when you look at all of those numbers, codes and calculations, we do understand that almost 90% of Bitcoin's total supply has already been mined. Also, currently, about 900 Bitcoins are mined every day. This is as per the calculation. Now, the process of reducing and to sustain emission and increase scarcity, the number of Bitcoins emitted per block is regularly needed to be reduced. And that is where Bitcoin halving comes into place. This is the reason that you have an importance of that as well. Now, nearly 3 million of Bitcoins are currently forgotten. This is another number that the street looks at. This is because there's scarcity. One, it also has to do with the reduction in rate there. The missing Bitcoins also comes in from the fact that you have forgotten wallet details, missing passwords or forgotten passwords. It also has to do with the lost hard drives and owned by deceased investors. Now, these are lost forever. So 3 million Bitcoins are lost forever at this point in time. This is the latest data that we have from 2024 end. Now, when you look at the halving dates, well, the first halving did happen in November. That was in nearly 2012 there. And we're also looking at first halving event that was done to reduce Bitcoins mining there. So from 50, it was reduced to 20. The last of the recent of the Bitcoin halving happened on 20th of April 2024. The halving happened at a block height of around 840,000 there, and it has been reduced quite considerably. So the number that we did see was from 6.25 to 3.125. Now, the next Bitcoin halving, as I said, happens every 4 years. So the next one is going to be happening on 17 April 2028 at a block height of nearly 10 lakh Bitcoins there. And the expectation is that the number that we saw in the previous halving, that was in 2024 at 3.125, the rewards will reduce to 1.5625. So the miners would get that as a reward there. After the complete Bitcoin mining has happened by 2140, the way the miners will earn would be in sense of transactions, in sense of royalty as well going forward. So that is where the Bitcoin halving importance comes into picture.
Indeed. Interesting there, Manisha. Thank you for that update. Ashok Leyland's numbers for the auto sales on your screens now. Domestic sales up 2% and total sales at 15,239. Slightly better than expectations as well. By the way, the Nifty back at 24,550 as we speak. So take a short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.
CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.
Thank you for watching CNBC-TV18. For all top headlines and updates, follow us on our social media platforms.